how to create Instagram album. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily create Instagram album. So let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram app and then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Then go to saved. Here you'll see all your saved posts. Now to create a new album, tap on the plus icon at the top right. uh, Give a name to your album and then hit next. Now you can choose from your saved photos or videos. You can just tick it and hit done, and it will appear on your newly created album. Now if you try to save a post, for example, if you try to save a post right here, if you tap on the save option, then it will ask you if you want to save it to your new album. Then you can just tap on the plus icon and then the post will be added to your album. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.